Welcome to today's math class. Today's topic is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. All of you are very aware, very familiar coordinate geometry. In 8th class, in 7th class, in early classes, you have already learned about the coordinate geometry. And all of you are very aware about the points which you locate on the quadrants. Suppose this is your Cartesian plane. X comma y are known as Cartesian coordinate, and this plane in which this is your Cartesian plane. That is your Cartesian plane. This is your first quadrant. That is your second quadrant, or that is your third quadrant, or that is your fourth quadrant. There are 4 quadrants on the Cartesian plane. In first quadrant, x and y both are positive. X and y both are positive. The symbol of x and y both are positive. In second quadrant, sign of x is negative, sign of y is positive. In third quadrant, sign of x and sign of y both are negative. In fourth quadrant, sign of x is positive and y is negative. In other words, as you move, this is the horizon, this is the origin. As you move to the right side of the origin, all are positive. As you move left from the origin, that is all are negative. x एक्सिस पर इधर पॉजिटिव होता है और इधर नेगेटिव होता है. y एक्सिस पर ऊपर पॉजिटिव होता है और नीचे नेगेटिव होता है. सपोज दैट देयर इज पॉइंट 3,4. How would you locate this point? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now you have to locate 3, 4. But question is this: where we will locate this point? In first quadrant, in second, third, or fourth. Now see the symbol, see the sign of x coordinate and y coordinate. First coordinate is always known as x coordinate, and second coordinate is always known as y coordinate. The symbol of 3 is plus, and the sign of 3 is plus, and sign of 4 also plus. It will go through in the first quadrant. On x-axis 1, 2, 3. On y-axis 4. So that is, this point is known as 3, understood? Suppose that minus 2, 3. Its x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. Minus plus. Now see the symbol minus. X equal to minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay, then minus 2 and 3. that is your minus 2 comma 3. Okay, if you want to give the name to any point, this point you can give the name. Now suppose that minus 3 comma minus 3, minus 3 comma minus 3, here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7, minus 3 comma minus 3, here it is minus 3 and that is also minus 3. This point will be minus 3 comma minus 3. Understood? Now suppose that there is a point 3 comma minus 4. Now x equal to 3 plus minus x equal to 3 or y equal to minus 4. This point will lie here. That point will be minus 3 comma minus 4. Understood? So this is the process to locate the point in the Cartesian plane, or you can say in first, second, third and fourth quadrant. Now you know this coordinate is known as x-axis, or this is y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, x-coordinate, y-coordinate, x-coordinate, y-coordinate, x-coordinate, y-coordinate, x-coordinate, y-coordinate. The other name of the x-coordinate is x-axis is known as abscissa. X-coordinate is known as abscissa. Y-coordinate is known as ordinate. X coordinate and y. X coordinate abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. These are the individual name of both coordinates. Now suppose that there is any point on x axis. X axis पर अगर कोई point है तो on that axis y always and always 0. On x axis y coordinate will always be 0. Suppose that you want to locate 3 comma 0. 3 comma here x equal to 3 and y equal to 0. Then it will locate here x equal to 3. That will be 3, but y is 0 here, so that will be 3 comma 0. Understood? 3 comma on y axis, suppose you want to locate 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. Here x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0 here. Or y coordinate is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is your 0 comma 5. Point on x axis always plus minus a. अगर प्लस है तो इस तरफ और माइनस है तो इस तरफ. y अगर पॉजिटिव है then upper side, or y is negative then it will be lower side. Now this is now equation of x axis. Equation of x axis. अभी आपने क्या देखा, x axis पर हमेशा y 0 होता है. On x axis y is always 0. Then equation of x axis always y equal to 0. On y axis x is always 0. Then equation of y axis is x equal to 0. Understood? I hope all of you have got it properly. That's all for today.